Today I'm going to be doing Candy's makeup. We're going to be doing a look that she can wear every day for every occasion. Kind of her go-to, where if she wants to add a little bit more depth or a little bit more smoky into her eyes, she can. But this is going to work for work, for play, for date night. Just to give her something that she can just go to, simple. She's got kids, she's busy, she doesn't want to mess with it. So that's what we're going to be doing on Candy today. And we're just going to work that into her eyelid. We're going to be using this everyday stack. I'm going to start out with everyday number 7. I'm going to start out here on her lid. I'm going to work that in. And I'm just going to take that right up the center of her eye, right on her eyelid. Just going to work that into the gold. By adding a darker color on the outer corner of the eye, it's just going to draw the attention of the eye up. On a deep set eye, we're going to go ahead and highlight in to the crevice, to the crease of the eye. You can just see how her eyes just come alive. Use it with a little bit of eye cream. Never seen a mineral foundation that covers better. It covers melasma, it covers age spots, wrinkles, fine lines, rosacea. It's amazing what it does to rosacea, and even birthmarks. I've seen it cover birthmarks really, really remarkably. And it's natural. A lot of things that you have a lot of coverage with, they have chemicals in them and they're not good for your skin. So the great thing is you're getting an excellent amount of coverage. It doesn't look cakey, which is key, because I mean, you know, you want to see the woman's face, you don't want to see her makeup. And with this, you can see it just transforms her face. You still see her face, but you don't see her makeup. You see her beautiful, healthy, radiant skin. So it's one of my favorite things about this foundation. Setting powder is great. It's going to set the makeup on. It's not going to move all day until you wash this off. It's going to stay there all day long. we're finished with Candy's makeup. She looks great. She can wear this every day. She can wear this to church. She can wear this to work. She can wear this on date night. And I think she looks fabulous. Go ahead and take a look, Candy.
Oh, I love it. It feels so natural and light, and it doesn't feel cakey, or it's just a wonderful makeup. I love it, and it hides all your wrinkles and all your age spots. I love this stuff. I've been using it for almost 2 years now, and I love it.